Now let's see the last switch, the reed switch. The reed switch has two rods connected to this glass. Inside the glass there's the other two inside that which are not connected. And reed switch is a type of switch. It can be controlled by a magnet. When the magnet is near, the circuit closes. If the magnet is far, the circuit opens. Now I'll show you my experiment. I connected the reed switch and the beeper is going to beep. Now it's time to put the magnet here. The beeper is making sound because the two rods carry the electricity to the machine. First, the red wire will be connected to the switch and the green wire would be connected to the positive side. Now, the beeper has a positive and negative. The positive side is the long one and the negative side is the short one. Thank you.